Si Jo. Ay, si Jelana.
Sino?
Si Jo nagtampo.
Yeah.
Si Chrisella, binigyan niya si Jelana ng ano. $40 ko nagalit si Jo. Oh. Hello, Maricar. What happened? Saan na siya? Sa
JK po, Jo. Bakit?
busy. Nagtampurot.
What? Call Jolene upstairs.
Bigyan mo na ng cash.
Cash ka ba? Wala akong cash. Bigyan mo ng kawawan.
Gina.
Baka nagkukwenta.
Oo. How much Ate Dong owe you?
Well, you owe me
Me? I'll transfer you. How much Ate Dong? Oh, the show to Ate Dong. Mom, 20. Dad, Ate Dong, 10. Okay. So, do you want me to just transfer it to you?
No,
my money.
Okay.
My money.
Ay!
Girl, you already have the bank account that mom took away, so
No.
be grateful.
Grandma doesn't owe you anything.
That goes to your college fund.
Oh. You're gonna go to your college fund.
Well, I think I have this one on top of my college.
And mommy did you do up and mommy did all your money.
Bigyan mo ba, madre?
I forgot
Ano
my
mo yung wallet ko?
Oh, wow, bird.
The red.
And me?
I'm already 40.
No, please. I don't need money.
Jolene. Wait, come back here. Pagoda. Jade, how about you? La!
Jade, did Ate Dong owe you?
Kakainis ka nga talaga.
Let me go fishing.
You go fishing now?
No, I'm just going fishing in the skin.
Okay,
Not there.
Yeah, it's okay.
In the video, no.
It's fine. They don't. Oh, bakit kinuha na? Are you taking money, grandma's money? Are you taking grandma's money? Oh, ang lalaki.
I know.
Ano yan? Bakit 100?
dapat i-share. 30 for
Okay,
you.
I'll split it in half.
Mukhang pera to, mas mautang pa.
30 for Jo.
They're hiding to me.
Dad, you have a cash? Grandma has to. You wanna break this cash? Oh, hold. Have daddy. You have to break it. Oh, no.
Baka sila.
Come here. Sit with grandma then.
Hindi kita bibigyan.
Grip. You didn't hug grandma yet. No, that's not a hug one.
You already have 10
Oh, so, mautak din eh.
Nito ko na naman. Nito.
Joe, just my money.
But not your whole wallet?
No, just the one. Just like that.
Grandma, no more money. See, may 100. Bago yan na.
Oo nga. Galing sa bangko.
Oh.
Sa bangko. Hindi ko tinitiklop ng pera. Dili. 100. Nene, palit mo ni.
Oh, this
Okay, share tayo nyo.
Ate Donggat. Oh, ano sabi mo? Oh, so no more. Ate Dong doesn't owe you anymore. Oh, you have to X that list though. Ipa-X mo yung list.
Yoy, you got one palo. Kasi ha.
Here you go. Here's 520.
There we go.
Yay!
We are in Alaska. No night time.
Show it on the video.
Oo, binola si grandma.
For a trip.
Yeah.
Yay!
Mom, do you have your purse? I've got your money for your trip.
Okay, later. Jade, do you want your money? Grandma had.
Do you want?
Do you want it?
Yeah.